Hi friends, Assalamualaikum. Once again welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to make a nice and soft rumali roti. Before that, if you are watching this YouTube channel at first time, please click the red subscribe button below this video and click the bell icon and also press the all option. Then you will get the notifications of my video. So let's start our video. For making that, take a bowl and put 6 cup of maida and 3 cup of rice flour in it. Now add 3 tablespoons of sunflower oil and required salt and mix it very well. After mixing, add lukewarm water to make a dough. Our dough is ready. Now rest it for half an hour. After half an hour, make it as a balls. We want to make balls of this size. Roll it to make a small roti. Now pour some rice flour on the top and place another roti in the top. Pour some rice flour on the second one and place another roti on the top. Now roll it without pressing too much. Now, like this, take out each roti from this. Do all like this. Now we are going to cook the roti. For that, take a pan and put the roti on it. And fold it like this. So our tasty and soft rumali roti is ready. You definitely try it and send your feedback. Thank you.